As a matter of fact, poverty is not a static process. Poverty eradication is not a static process. It's not that once you're out of poverty, you are out of poverty forever. The risk of falling back in poverty are from anywhere. I mean, we experienced COVID, which was an expected event and put under pressure those that were more vulnerable. But any shock could have potentially put the same people under the same stress. Imagine a sudden drop in the price of commodities, or a bad harvest due to climate change. So I think that we should always remember, and the government does it, that achieving poverty is important, but keeping people out of poverty is more important. And this is a critical pillar of the rural revitalization strategy, that the new development paradigm of the government of China. The rural revitalization strategy does not only aim at economically developing the rural areas. It also aims at keeping those that were lifted out of poverty out of poverty. An important message for China is that you need to invest in your rural areas. You give opportunities to the people in rural areas to remain in rural areas if they want to.